Hello, Shriku here. Day 3 of hospitalization for HSCT for MS. Day 2 of the GCSF growth hormone injections. So I'm having 3 injections after breakfast, followed by 2 injections after dinner. I've just had dinner, so my 2 injections are due maybe in the next 15-20 minutes. Thought I'd get this recorded. Um, After the morning round of injections, they give me some oral steroids and an antacid, um, all pills, which is fine. Um, every 2 hours, the nurse comes in to check my blood pressure, my oxygen saturation, and my temperature, which have been fine so far. My BP did spike a little and go up to 150 over 80 couple of times today, and it's back down to normal. The neurophysiologist and the bone marrow transplant specialist, both these doctors came on rounds this morning, and when they walked into my room, I was lazing on the bed watching TV, and the doctor immediately told me to get out of bed and stand up and go for a walk. He told me that I need to go for a walk every hour on the hallway, in the hallway, and stay active. He said as much as I can stay active, that will help the results of this treatment. So I have set up an alarm every 45 minutes on my mobile phone to remind me to get out of the chair or bed and go take a walk. Um, One of the side effects of the GCSF injections this morning was I developed a bit of back pain. It wasn't debilitating by any means, but it did hurt quite a bit. I waited for a while, waiting to see if it would go away, but then I realized that I should probably bring this to the nurse's attention. So I told her that my back was hurting badly. She called the doctor and they got me a tablet called Ultraset, which I'm guessing is an analgesic pain relief medicine. It took effect immediately after, maybe 20-30 minutes after I took it. The back pain went down almost immediately, and I don't have any back pain anymore today. A couple of things happened after that. They got me a, I don't know if you guys know it. It's called a polysizer. It's an exercise tool that you blow into. It has 3 columns with 3 ping pong balls in each column. One ping pong ball in each column. Red, blue, and uh, green. Red being the farthest, and the blue is the nearest, while yellow is the one in between. I'm supposed to inhale into the tube connecting to this tool and get all the balls in the air and keep them there for a second until they go back down. This is apparently to improve my pulmonary function, which is fine. It's not too difficult to do, and I need to do this every 2 hours. So I go for 2 walks, and after my second walk of in sequence, I come back and do one of these activities for about 5 minutes or so. Yep. Uh, in terms of the level of care in the hospital, the food here that they serve is very wholesome, not spicy, not oily, not very bland either. It's got enough flavor to keep you interested, and it's good fun. Uh, they give you a lot of curd, and they give you some Indian sweets as well, milk based primarily. And they usually, between meals, they send over some hot soup or some tea and a couple of biscuits, just to keep you going, I guess. The nurses have been very helpful. They've been very friendly, very cooperative, very encouraging. Um, Even the random nurses that I meet in the corridor, they always have a smile on their face, and a word of encouragement when they see me walking, because I walk with the assistance of a cane, but I don't use the cane as much as I twirl it around in my hand for some swag value, I guess. Uh, yeah, so that kind of makes me more visible, I guess. Yeah, apart from that, I'm going to reward myself on Friday afternoon with a hot cup of Costa coffee from the Costa outlet in the ground floor of this building. And also they have donuts. So I'm going to ask my wife to please go get me a jelly donut, because if I make it until Friday and I do this uh, exercise regime also, and I'm able to follow it every 45 minutes when I'm awake, and I believe I would have earned something sweet. Yep. So far, the body is dealing with this. The mind is also dealing with this. I have zero regrets for choosing this line of treatment, and even fewer regrets choosing to come to Fortis Medical Research Center, Gurgaon, under Dr. Rahul Bhargav to carry this out. I just hope the coming 2 weeks sees I'm able to see through the coming 2 weeks without too much discomfort. Thank you, people.